So guys, a new project is done, and yeah, I'm still searching for a way to, because of course I missed you guys as well. So now I have finished the project, so I need to make pictures and I need to edit all the videos and collecting all the kit items, pack everything and do all the commercial things that I do normally, less as possible. But yeah, I do miss that as well, that 3 times a week. And for certain things I know now, okay, yeah, I like this, but I'm a little afraid that I'm gonna lose you guys. So I'm gonna find a way to make small short videos, I think, from older projects, or yeah, to be back once in a while. Even that I do have my chit chats doing the tutorials, I still like to be once in a while a little online on YouTube again. So I'm gonna try to do my best to find a way, and I hope I do find a way pretty soon. But I'm just telling you, I am still walking the line to see how it all goes. So please stay with me. Please do. See you next time.